So I hear someone wants to become a dentist in Australia. Is that you? Well, there's nothing wrong with dreaming big, but letting it stay a dream, well, that's where you would be wrong. If you are serious about becoming a dentist in Australia, you need to take the Australian Dental Council or the ADC exam. And the very first step, well, it all starts with the initial assessment. And before I get into what the initial assessment is all about, do not forget to subscribe to Academically, your go-to place for everything about career opportunities abroad for healthcare professionals. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. Now let's start with what is initial assessment. Well, the initial assessment is the first stage of the ADC exam process to become a dentist in Australia. The ADC checks your education, work experience and registration history to make sure you are eligible to move on to the next stage, that is the written exam. Now, to apply for the initial assessment, you need two key things. Number one, a dental degree or diploma. So it should be a full-time 4-year course from a recognized university. Number two, unrestricted registration. This means you should have held full registration or a license in your home country or the country where you trained, with no suspensions or withdrawals. Once you submit your application, the ADC will start reviewing your documents. When they begin the assessment, you will be given a candidate reference number. Now, this number is super important. You need it every time you contact the ADC about your application. Now, let's talk about a few practical details. Number one, the time frame. The initial assessment usually takes about 8 weeks to process, so be patient while they go through everything. Number two, cost. The application fee is $647 Australian dollars, and if you ever need to renew it, that will cost you $265 Australian dollars. Number third, validity. Now, once approved, your initial assessment is valid for 7 years, giving you plenty of time to complete the rest of the ADC process. Then comes the application period. This is the best part. You can apply anytime. There are no specific deadlines at all. And that's pretty much about it for the initial assessment. It's just a step, but a super important one. Once you get through this, you will be one step closer to taking the written exam and eventually practicing as a dentist in Australia. Your dream of becoming a dentist in Australia could be closer than you think, especially with Academically's ADC preparation course. In this course, you will get all the help and guidance you need to pass the exam on the first attempt.